Naragsak nga baro nga tawen kada kayo amin gagayam nga kapsat. Ayan, ang aming handa today is seafood pasta lang. Ayan. Yan lang yung aking niluto. Ano yung inyong mga handa, mga kaibigan? Kapsat? Ayan. Happy New Year to all who are watching. I just made a seafood pasta. Yan, seafood pasta lang ang kakainin namin today. Yan. I have as well marinated pork belly. I don't know if we are going to grill during the night. Pero parang wala naman yatang magigising. Yan. So, ayan. I have there some squid. I have there some shrimp. Tadan! Enjoy watching mga kaibigan. Ano ang inyong mga handa today? Yan. I'll be satisfied with this one. Yan. Nice viewing to all of you. And I wish you a blessed 2026. Bye for now.